portable gaming systems are resurfacing on the market. The handheld market was previously controlled by Nintendo's Switch systems. However, a rebirth of competition in the market has been made possible by the phenomenal success of Steam Deck and the availability of numerous game streaming providers. Since a remote server is creating visuals, cloud gaming enables you to stream games to virtually any device with a respectable screen and an internet connection. This means that you don't need a powerful CPU or GPU. However, having a gadget that is easy to carry and with good game controls is helpful. At least, that's what manufacturers like Logitech and Razer, who each recently unveiled portable game consoles powered by Android and geared toward cloud gaming, are betting on. Abxylute, a company, has now declared its intention to join them while offering devices at a lower price. A brand new company by the name of Abxylute has now revealed its plans to release an Android-based gaming portable. It will be possible to stream games from services like NVIDIA GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming, or Steam Link because it is an Android-powered console. Emulation of consoles like the PSP is probably impossible. The MediaTek Genio 350 chip, however, ought to have sufficient power to allow the system to run old games. To put things in perspective, the MediaTek 8385 features 4 2GHz ARM Cortex-A53 CPU cores and a Mali-G52 GPU. The chipset is connected to a 5000 mAh battery, 64 GB of expandable storage, and 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM. The tablet from Abxylute boasts a 7-inch, 1920 by 1080 pixel, 60Hz LCD screen, 64 GB of storage, 4 GB of RAM, and a microSD card reader. Do you wonder why this model costs so much less than handhelds made by Logitech or Razer? Its processor is substantially less potent. The company claims that because the console is only 250 by 115 by 30 mm and only 410 grams, it will be simple to hold and move around. The Abxylute handheld is powered by a MediaTek MT8385 processor, sometimes known as the Genio 350, whereas the Razer Edge uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon G3X Gen 1 chip, essentially a variation of the Snapdragon 888, and the Logitech G Cloud has a Snapdragon 720G processor. And that's what's a little strange about this new class of portable cloud gaming consoles. They're essentially Android tablets with built-in controllers for video games, and they aren't really new. Anbernic, AYN, GPD, Retroid, and Pockety are just a few of the Chinese gadget manufacturers that have been producing identical devices for years. Instead of selling them as cloud gaming items, they were simply marketed as retro gaming hardware. Compared to the latest generation of cloud gaming handhelds, several are smaller and less expensive. However, you may still utilize them, among other things, for game streaming. The fact that famous Western firms like Logitech and Razer are participating in the new cloud gaming market may be what makes it the most intriguing. But I think it's wonderful to have another choice, like the Abxylute Portable, if you're looking for a model with a comparable display and controller configuration at a slightly lesser price. Now, Abxylute intends to provide gaming handhelds for early adopters for $200 and RRP for $250. Although Abxylute has not yet specified a specific release date, it intends to make its debut in the first quarter 2023. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I will expect them in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.